Fixed bottom versus detachable bottom, ANFD. Which one should you choose? Many pharmaceutical and chemical manufacturers ask this question while selecting an ANFD. The answer depends on the process requirements, cleaning philosophy, and maintenance needs. Fixed bottom ANFD, recommended when product changeovers are less frequent. Cleaning can be performed effectively through CIP systems. Lower initial investment is preferred. The process involves similar products over long production campaigns. A robust and simple design is required. Advantages: lower cost, simple construction, reduced maintenance requirements. Detachable bottom ANFD, recommended when frequent product changeovers are required. Validation and inspection access is critical. High-purity pharmaceutical applications are involved. Manual inspection of filter media is required. Faster cleaning and maintenance access is desired. Advantages: excellent accessibility, easier filter cloth replacement, faster cleaning and validation, ideal for multi-product facilities. Key selection criteria: fixed bottom, cost-effective, simple operation, dedicated products. Detachable bottom, better accessibility, easier maintenance, multi-product manufacturing. The right ANFD configuration should always be selected based on process requirements, cleaning validation needs, and long-term operating considerations.
Dwaraka Sai Engineering Works is a trusted manufacturer of fixed bottom and detachable bottom agitated niche filter dryers, ANFD, for pharmaceutical and chemical industries. For more information or technical discussions, website www.dwarakasaiglobal.com. Email uniquemktg@yahoo.in. Mobile or WhatsApp +91 8885 251 027. Contact us to discuss your process equipment requirements.